Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Feeding schedule and tips for 8-month-old babies. If your little one turns 8 months old, they must have already started having solids other than breast milk. Their diet should contain adequate proteins, minerals, carbohydrates, and vitamins for proper growth. The 8-month-old food ideas menu should have the following foods. A. Fruits or vegetables. Fresh fruits have a variety of minerals, vitamins, and micronutrients. Ensure fruits are fresh and cut into small cubes. Vegetables can be cut into small pieces and then steamed to feed the baby. B. Non-vegetarian. Fishes like tuna and salmon are full of omega-3 fatty acids and help in the development of the brain and overall growth of babies. Fish can be made into a soup or puree for easy feeding the baby. Chicken, egg, yolk only, turkey, beef, and pork are good sources of protein for the baby. C. Other food items. Pasteurized milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent food sources of calcium. Include the cheese cut into small cubes for easy feeding. Blue cheese and brie cheese are soft, so avoid them for now. The baby can be introduced to bread and muffins in their meal. Nicely boiled, soft pasta cooked with cheese is also a good meal option. How much milk is enough for an 8-month-old? The quantity of milk an 8-month-old can have should be no more than 4 milk feeds in a day. If the baby is on infant milk formula, then the quantity should not exceed 600 milliliters divided into 4 servings in a day. 8-month-old feeding schedule. Breakfast. Cereal, 1/4 to ½ cup, or mashed egg yolk, 1. Seasonal fruit, 1/4 to ½ cup, cut into small cubes. Mother's milk or formula milk, 110 to 130 grams. Morning snacks. Mother's milk, or formula milk or water, 110 to 130 grams. Cooked fresh vegetables, or cheese cut into small cubes, 1/4 cup. Lunch. Mother's milk or formula milk, 110 to 130 grams. Yogurt, cottage cheese, or meat, or fish, 1/4 to ½ cup. Yellow or orange vegetables, cooked, 1/4 to ½ cup. Evening snacks. Seasonal fruit diced or yogurt, 1/4 cup. Teething biscuit or whole grain cracker, 1. Dinner. Mother's milk, or formula milk, 4 to 6 ounces. Meat, or tofu, diced into small pieces, 1/4 cup. Boiled potato, pasta, rice, or noodles, 1/4 cup. Green vegetables, cooked, 1/4 to ½ cup. Seasonal fruit diced, 1/4 cup. Before bed. Mother's milk, or formula milk or water, 170 to 220 grams. Foods to avoid for an 8-month-old infant. Number 1. Cow milk. Number 2. Raw vegetables in excess quantity. Number 3. Peanuts. Number 4. Popcorn. Number 5. Honey. Some of the recipes you can make for your 8-month-old include sweet potato porridge, carrot and apple soup with potatoes, and potato, beans and peas puree.